Now I'm here with a brand new vlog but with my old friend, and I'm doing the vlog on the same day I did the vlog of Al Seef village. So now we have come to Kailash Parbat to have our dinner. I'll show you which restaurant. That is the restaurant. We are now standing at Al Seef, Dubai, which is just opposite the Bastakia village. And now we'll be going to Kailash Parbat. I'll be getting copyright for a song. Oh my god, I won't talk much. You come. Kailash Parbat is a 100% veg restaurant, but it has recently incorporated a brand new concept called KP Vibes within their offering that serves a selection of seesha and licensed beverages. You can see here that is the portion. This place is really cozy and is perfect to celebrate all your special days, like we have come here to celebrate a joint birthday. It's now time to reveal the gifts. Now let's see what gifts we got from each other. So that's a loofah and that's bath crystals. Yay, it smells so good. Now that's a surprise box. Well, it has a body lotion, a shampoo, conditioner and a moisturizer. And I loved the gift hamper. It smells so cool. Well, here's a beautiful orange bag. I just loved it, and inside it there's a beautiful lipstick as well. Now it's her turn. So these are my gifts to her. Okay, so now this is her turn. She really liked the hamper. So it's a letter which she opened first. Now she was reading it. And these are some pack of chocolates. Here is a bottle opener. Here is a body mist. So here's a nail polish, rubber band and toe rings. Here's a t-shirt. Here's a skirt. And here's a pajama for her. Here's a belt. And some selective food items. Now it's time to go through the menu and see what we ordered. Chai. It was so good, I tell you. Authentic Indian chai. And that's the chaat platter, which was quite big, you can see. So here goes the Panipuri. And now it's time to taste the Bhel puri. And now some dahi puri. Chole, masala onion, and look at the size of the bhature. Oh my god. So here goes some chole on my plate with the bhature, and let me taste it. Yum. But this was the best dish of the evening. Palak and corn shot. Guys, it's a must taste one. So now it's time for papri chaat, and look at the size of the papri. Oh my god, it was so difficult to put it in the mouth in one go, but yay, I did it, and it was so yum. And we ended the day with anguri rabri, which is my all-time favorite, and it was so yum. It was like a piece of heaven going inside my mouth. Delicious. So that was all from Kailash Parbat. We visited the branch in Al Seef, and it was really lovely. It has a kids playing area also. You can see there's a kitty party going upstairs. So now it's time to call it a day. We had a beautiful evening. So if you like anything from this video, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Enjoy.